Hi everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today we are going to make a Greek dish, the flaming Saganaki. The word Saganaki means frying pan, and the flaming started in 1968 at a Greek restaurant in Chicago when they decided to make the traditional fried cheese, but then they put a flame and they made it like a show. And nowadays you can see this at any Greek festival or a Greek restaurant. So let's start. My ingredients today are halloumi cheese. This halloumi cheese, I was able to find it in Aldi. So I sliced it into 4 slices. I have half a shot of ouzo, and that's the alcohol I will add on the cheese. I used olive oil. I used 2 tablespoons here in my frying pan, and I'm waiting for it to heat up. Now my frying pan is ready, and I'm going to put the halloumi. I have it on high. I'm going to make it on medium now. If you remember, I made an episode when we were talking about the Cypriot mezze. I fried the halloumi cheese. The reason why we chose the halloumi cheese for the flaming Saganaki is because halloumi can stay the same. It doesn't melt like any other cheese. So it's perfect for the flaming Saganaki. And also it tastes very nice with the flavor of the ouzo that we will add at the end. So the alcohol evaporates, but it leaves this nice sweet taste, and it tastes delicious. I just flipped it, and as you see, it has this nice chars here. And I will leave it for 1 more minute, and then I'm going to add the shot of ouzo and the flame.
Now I'm ready.
I'm going to remove it away from the heat. And I'm going to add the shot of ouzo. 1, 2, 3. Oppa! I hope you liked my episode today. I hope that you can try it. You can definitely try it outside. Maybe that would be better. And let me know in the comments below how it goes. And see you next time.